of chapter number 9, that is ledger posting, sum number 14. In last video in detailed, I have told you that which sums are to be excluded. Simple, only those sum in this chapter you have to do in which you have to pass journal entries, and from journal entries you have to post them in ledger. Okay? And then you have to find out balance. Chalo. And also we have discussed which balance, which side total is more, that balance. Simple. So these types of sums only you have to do. In last video I told you in detail which sums are excluded. Okay. Sum number 14. In this you have to pass journal entries in the books of Badshah. So first of all of you pause the video and complete the journal entries of all these transactions. All of you know the journal entries. We have completed full chapter, and in this chapter also we have discussed journal entries. So right now I will not discuss journal entries. I hope that all of you know how to pass it. We will start with ledger posting. Okay, I'll give you the answer so that you can check whether your answers are right or wrong. So first pause video, complete journal entries, and then go along with me. Okay, these are journal entries. Check your answers. First transaction, you can pause video and check it again. Second, I can't wait for you, otherwise size of this video will become 45 minutes just like last video. So you have to pause wherever required. Fifth, seventh, eighth, 10th, 12th, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, now we'll start with ledger posting directly. Okay, first entry is cash account debited, stock of goods account debited to capital. So these two things we have brought in business and started the business, right? So as per our rule, cash account debited, so cash account में debit side पे to capital, stock of goods account debited, stock of goods account में debit side पे to capital, and capital account is credited. You can see here capital account is credited. So both these things will go in credit side of capital account with this respective amount. Okay, let's see. See cash account, it is debited to capital account 75,000. Next was stock of goods account. Stock of goods account भी debited था to capital account 15,000, and capital account was credited by these two things. So by cash and by stock of goods 75,000, 15,000. सिंपल, ठीक, इजी टॉपिक्स है तो मैं ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगा. अगर कोई कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एंट्री आती है तो वी कैन डिस्कस इन डिटेल. नेक्स्ट एंट्री बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कैश. तो बैंक अकाउंट इज डेबिटेड, सो ये पहली हमने कंप्लीट कर दी. नंबर 2, बैंक अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड पे लिखेंगे टू कैश और कैश के क्रेडिट साइड पे लिखेंगे बाय बैंक. कैश अकाउंट बाय बैंक 40,000, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट साइड पे टू कैश 40,000. आई डोंट थिंक आपको ये सब आंसर अभी देखने की, ये वीडियो आपको देखने की भी जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि ये सारी चीज हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, ठीक है. लेकिन फिर भी कोई डाउट हो तो आप डेफिनेटली देख सकते हैं. We have already completed full and everything is included. All these entries we have already done. So I don't think there should be any problem. Still, if you have any problem, you can WhatsApp me. Purchase account debited to cash to Onti. Purchase account is debited. So these two accounts will be written on debit side of purchase account. Okay? And cash account is credited. Onti account is credited. चलो purchase account के debit side पे तो आपको एक नया अकाउंट बनाना पड़ेगा, परचेज अकाउंट. परचेज अकाउंट सी टू कैश 3,000, to Onti 10,500. अब कैश के क्रेडिट साइड पे होगा परचेस, परचेस किया, देखो कैश कम हो गया इसलिए क्रेडिट साइड पे हमने लिखा 3000। और एक अकाउंट बाकी है पर्सनल अकाउंट, ऑन्टीज अकाउंट, बाय परचेस, क्योंकि ऑन्टी का अकाउंट क्रेडिट हुआ है तो हमने क्रेडिट साइड पे लिखा 10,500। अच्छा नेक्स्ट, so we have completed third. Fifth, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड, गोविंद अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू सेल्स। तो यहाँ पे बैंक अकाउंट बनाया, बैंक के डेबिट साइड पे लिखेंगे टू सेल्स, गोविंद के डेबिट साइड पे टू सेल्स, एंड ऑन क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ सेल्स बाय बैंक बाय गोविंद। बैंक वी ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड, डेबिट साइड टू सेल्स, जो भी अमाउंट सामने लिखा था वो। नेक्स्ट, गोविंद अकाउंट,